Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we discuss solved MCQs of political science for the post of lecturer for the papers of PMS and CSS. Here is Bilal Yusuf, lecturer political science in Higher Education Department, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. First MCQs is the term politics is derived from the word polis. So the political science has its origin from Greek. So the polis is the Greek language word. The word polis means a city-state. City-state, Athens and Sparta. Ilm al-Iqtisad was treatise written by Allama Iqbal. The Long March became the ascent of power of Mao Zedong in China. Locke laid down that state is unavoidable evil. Rousseau's political philosophy furnished basis for popular sovereignty. He gave the concept of general will and talked about the people, so that's why the popular sovereignty. How many essentials are required to constitute a state? So the four essentials are required to constitute a state, and to constitute a government we require three essentials. Laissez-faire policy means laissez-faire policy talk about free market or free economy, so the withdrawal of some restrictions. Materialistic interpretation of history was propounded by Karl Marx. Fascism as a political theory originated in Italy. Plato wrote the laws. Al-Mawardi wrote Ahkamul Sultaniya. Strong emphasis on justice was led by Aristotle, his concept of and his theory of justice. The Spirit of Laws was written by Montesquieu. God has made this world a place for work and live is the famous quotation of Al-Ghazali. Philosophic calculus was the contribution of Jeremy Bentham. The concept of happiness and pleasure. The theory of group mind was enunciated by Ibn Khaldun. The theory of surplus value as a part of communistic philosophy was the contribution of Karl Marx. Hobbian social contract is based on desire for peace. Importance of civil service has grown due to increased state activity. So when day by day the state activities are increased, so the importance of civil service has grown. Which political theory propounded that state will ultimately disappear? So in communism we see that they talk about stateless society. According to Aristotle, the end of state is ethical. Leviathan was written by Thomas Hobbes. Founder of utilitarian school of thought was Jeremy Bentham. Tahafut al-Falsafa, Incoherence of Philosophers, is written by Al-Ghazali. A legal proceeding during which an individual's right to hold an office or governmental privilege is challenged is called writ of quo warranto. The United States Constitution was completed on 17 September 1787. The United States Constitution was adopted by the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The Constitution of 1962 of Pakistan consisted of dash article. So 250 articles. The Constitution of 1956 consisted of 234 articles and the Constitution of 1973 280 articles. The 1982 Constitution of Turkey comprises of dash articles. So 177. The American Supreme Court is the chamber of the Congress, the dash chamber of the Congress. So third chamber of the Congress. Who suggested the title of the Quaid-e-Azam? Maulana Masroor-Din. Interest groups always try to influence the exercise of power. Author of the book Capital is Karl Marx. The United States Constitution took effect on 4 March 1789. Which the first 3 words of the preamble is one of the most quoted and referenced sections of the US Constitution. So, we the people, a voluntary union of sovereign and independent states is called Confederation. Federation is on the other hand. Reconstruction of religion thought in Islam is written by Allama Iqbal. The author of the book Statesman is obviously Plato. Justice is given everyone his due is said by, so the theory of justice by Aristotle, so the right answer is Aristotle. Which article of US Constitution describes the relationship between the states and the federal government? Article 4. Who can propose an amendment by a 2/3 vote of the Senate and of the House of Representatives? US Congress. The dissolution of Khilafat and the establishment of Grand National Assembly in Turkey was highly appreciated by. So the answer is none of these. But when I searched this on Google, so I found that Jawaharlal Nehru from India is the person who highly appreciated the establishment of Grand National Assembly in Turkey. Author of the book Spirit of Islam is Sayyid Amir Ali. The concept of separation of powers was given by Montesquieu. Which of the political philosophers was more admitted by the American founding fathers, and his thoughts on the importance of private property were reflected in the drafting and historical development of the American Constitution? John Locke. Abu Nasr Muhammad, known as Al-Farabi, was born in the year 870. Karl Marx had everlasting friendship with a son of a prominent textile manufacturer of Barman, who brought many changes in Karl Marx's life. His name was Friedrich Engels. According to Aristotle, which is the best amongst the perverted form of the ideal states? So the answer is none of these. These 3 are the perverted forms given by Aristotle. Who said law is the command of a determinate sovereign? John Austin. He gave absolute concept of sovereignty. The turning point in the life of Plato came when he was 24 years old. The course of Athenian education was divided into 3 stages. Only the will of the sovereign can be the source of law. Who said it? Thomas Hobbes said this. Marx and Engels produced the famous book Communist Manifesto in 1848. The development of capitalism in Russia was written by Lenin. J.S. Mill wrote a famous book on liberty in the year 1859. Those who are active against the very existence of state are known as anarchists. They reject the state, they don't believe on state, they follow anarchy. The concept of surplus value is given by Karl Marx. A Muslim philosopher, Abu Hamid bin Muhammad, born in year 1058 AD, is commonly known as Al-Ghazali. The ungrateful pupil of his master, born in 384 BC, was Aristotle. In Plato's ideal state, one reaches at the pinnacle of the state order at the age of 50. Which one is the supreme law of the land in USA? Constitutional law. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal did his MA in philosophy from Government College, Lahore in 1899. Nizamul Mulk Tusi was born in the year 1017. The system of basic democracies was introduced by General Ayub Khan. The objective resolution was adopted in 1949. Who was the father of English utilitarianism? Jeremy Bentham. A book on statecraft, namely Siyara al-Mulk or Siyasatnama, was written by Nizamul Mulk Tusi. Shimla delegation was led by Sar Agha Khan. This is the parting of ways was said by Qaid-e-Azam. A summary of Plato's law was written by Al-Farabi. Machiavelli by birth was Italian. Pakistan became republic in 1956. The quorum of House of Commons is 40 members. A history of political theory was written by G.H. Sabine. According to John Locke, the worst form of government is democracy. 18th century rationalism. Montesquieu was born in the year 1689 in the house of an eminent French lawyer. He died in 1755. Plato was born 427 BC and died at the age of 80. The Supreme Court of Pakistan comprises 9, 11 or 13. How many judges? So 17 judges. The Indian Parliament is bicameral. A lower house, upper house, we may say Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha. Turkish government is democratic. People's Republic of China was established in 1st October 1949. The American Senate comprises 100 senators. In Pakistan, the constitution has been abrogated twice and went on abeyance twice. The House of Lords is predominantly hereditary. English amendment in the Constitution of 8th Amendment in the Constitution of Pakistan was adopted in 1985. The tenure of French president is fixed at 5 years. Cultural revolution in China was aimed at reforming of bureaucracy. The first government of USA was based on Article of Confederation. The Islamic Revolution in Iran ushered in Khilji's rule. The title Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity was given to Mr. Janabai Sarojini Naidu. Islam was declared as state religion in Pakistan's Constitution of 1973. Power in the Soviet Union rested with the Supreme Soviet. The Soviet Union was established in 1917. The Electoral College in US comprises 538 electors. The first American president was George Washington. The first document of English liberties, Magna Carta, was signed by King John in 1215. In this document, King gave some rights, some liberties to the people of England. Objective resolution was passed on 12 March 1949. Two-term tenure of US President was fixed in 1948. The Speaker of the House of Commons owes allegiance to no party. So these are 100 MCQs, and I come up with a new video inshallah very soon of more 100 MCQs of political science. If you found some mistake in this video in the answers, so you can comment on YouTube, so we can correct it in future. Thank you very much.